Hi Stampin' friends. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on to our cute little berry harvest. Now I put in parentheses blackberry harvest because it's kind of almost that time of year. So I thought that was kind of a fun one to do. Put that over to the side. So I did this several different ways. I was trying to decide which way to do it, and I couldn't. So I just did it all the different possibilities. This one, I worked on coloring marker to stamp. I did have a few places that I guess I just missed, or I didn't have strongly enough to get it on there, but I think it would be a lot of fun to just take the ends of your thing and just kind of finish it out. And then you could also go back in with lighter colors. Because we've stamped this in water-based ink, we could use our blends to color it. And I think that's going to be a really pretty look. But I really like how it is nice and bright. And then, of course, you know me, if there's something like this, I can always color the inside because apparently I enjoy buying another pool party marker. So that's just kind of a possibility with that, to color the inside pieces. That one I would probably go ahead and put on this, on our Blackberry bushel, listen to me, on our Blackberry Bliss. So that would probably be where I'd go with that one. Now, again, I wanted to kind of mention, when something is kind of like this, I think that these natural ribbons with a natural, a very realistic looking set like this looks really nice as well. So that might be a possibility. What I did here was use our pastels, and I colored this, I stamped with my Versamark and inked it up and colored it with my pastels. So that gives a completely different and softer look. For this, you can, nothing says you have to turn it the way it is on the stamp. You can turn it like this and add your sentiment across the bottom. And I think this makes kind of just a softer look. Then this one has been stamped and possibly double stamped, but we won't talk about that. And then fully colored. Now, my daughter Emma colored this for me because she was feeling like coloring today. But I love how she used a variety of different greens and a variety of different colors. We used both the Fresh Freesia and the Berry Burst blends, and also the Blackberry Bliss. So it was a lot of variety in here. So you can see that it would look good on so many different backgrounds. So yeah, any one of these card bases that I cut would look great with it. Okay, so this technique is a lot of fun for a variety of stamp sets. And it, I'm gonna try to figure out where I was with this. Okay, here we go. That one right there. What you do is you can punch or die cut out a circle, and then you pop it up on here and layer it right in the right spot where where it came from. So you have spotlighted this area. Let me lift it up because I think there's a little trouble seeing there. And you've spotlighted it, and you've only colored this one spot, but you've definitely made the entire card look very rich. So I think it would be fun here to use how I've been coloring this bubble bath ribbon. I think it would be great to color it with the Blackberry Bliss and really make a super rich card with this. So that's probably my plan for this one. May make it into a thank you card. So, because I need to get some out for some orders and some people for rejoining club. But I think this shows you a lot of variety with this stamp set. And I don't know why I had to have it. I just did. And I think they probably wanted us to really enjoy our Berry Burst since it came back. And I think that really showcases both the Blackberry Bliss, which sometimes I admit I have trouble using because it is so intensely dark. So anyway, I think that made a lot of possibilities with just this one little background step. I appreciate you all watching, and I hope that you have a great weekend. Bye-bye.